Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farkareski Ivan Bayaki, representative of Lapan IT. First of all, let us be grateful for the chance to be able to stand here in a healthy body and mind in this nice morning. All thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. I also would like to thank my respectable teachers and my beloved friends here for taking their little time to sit here listening to my short speech. Today we celebrate Youth Village Day, in which on this date, exactly 90 years ago, the Indonesian Youth pledged and declared for one motherland, one nation and one language. With this declaration, there was also Indonesia Raya song, the Indonesian national anthem created by W.R. Supratman, played for the first time. It is a very important moment in Indonesia history. If we look back to the hard time of the struggle in fighting for the independence of this country, Indonesian young men had so many enthusiasms to fight for Indonesian independence. They did not hesitate to do anything in their power for their country, and we as their legacy must continue their fight, because the fight did not stop when the independence was already in our hands. There are so many things to do for our country, for it to grow and to be proposed. So, what can we do? The first most important thing to do is that we must be proud of our country. We live in the globalization era where the cultures from all around the world mix with ours. Even sometimes Indonesian youth days of adopt these cultures and left our culture behind, like the way they act, how they dress, and also their way of thinking. They have been too influenced by the outside cultures, and I am afraid that they will eventually forget their culture where they were first brought to. It is time we are proud of our own culture. It is an invaluable inheritance that must be preserved. If we open our mind to look closely, we will find that our culture is more exquisite than others. It is alright to adopt some of them outside cultures, but do not forget our hard-earned culture. Youth Flex Day remind us over and over again to realize that even when the years has passed, even when we have already adopted many outside cultures, we have to be proud of our country, the place where we were born. And if we are already proud of our country, then the next step is easy. Dream high. Yes, it might be not related at a first glance. After all, what benefit will our dream bring to the country, but our proud feeling, whether we know it or not, will influence our thinking and consequently our dreams. Say that one of my friends here wants to be a doctor. Someday she or he will become a doctor. A doctor who is proud of her or his country will do the best on his or her work and will then make the country proud. It is really nice circle, isn't it? Well, well, that's all that I can deliver in my speech today. Be proud and dream high. Those those are a little piece of mine on how to continue the legacy of the Indonesian youth who had bravely declared for one motherland, one nation, and one language. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.